One, two, three, go. Under the skies where worlds collide, lies humble soil's earth's sacred guide and quiet power. Still and deep, the roots of life in shadows keep. From mountains high to valleys low, its hidden strength lets forests grow. A living of one of rock and clay, where life begins and finds its way.
Each grain of dirt a silent lore of ancient seas and molten core, compressed to by time, by wind, by rain, it tells of loss, of life regained. In soul the seeds of future lie, awakened by the thirst of sky. With every root that splits its seams, it feeds the world, it fuels our dreams.
Beneath the farmer's weary hand, it offers wealth to heal the land. Cornfields rise and orchards bloom, from soul's dark heart escaping doom. It cradles life, it cradles death, and gives us all our vital breath. The grains of wheat, the fruits, the trees, all whisper thanks to soil seas.
It heed the warning, sharp and stark, for soil can vanish in the dark. With every field the plough does scar, and every mine that digs too far. With poison spilled and forests burned, its patient balance overturned. Erosion steals its fertile grace, a barren land, a desolate place.
O tender soil, beneath our tread, the ground where ancestors once bled, forgive the harm, the thoughtless toil of hands that scarred. Use sacred soil, for in your depths the answer lies, to save the earth, to cleanse the skies. Let us restore, let us revere the soil's soft voice, so faint yet clear.
For every child, for every tree, the soul gives life internally. It gives our vast, its role is grand, the beating heart beneath the land. So may we care, may we defend this precious earth, our timeless friend. In soul's embrace, a future grows, a trust that every being knows. Thank you.
Thank you.